Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make new widgets on your phone. So first we're going to slide over and let's get started. So we're going to we're going to hold down our screen until the little app shake. And then we're going to click this button right here, this little with the plus. And now it shows all your widgets. So you can do anything. So let's do, gonna do Game Center. So you can put any of these as a widget. Friends are playing, you can make and we'll just put this one, add widget, and see? Now you can put it anywhere, put it on the next screen. It's pretty fun. You can make your phone any design you want. Actually, kind of like this one. And then you just click the to stop, click your screen to stop, and then everything stops shaking, and now it's done. That's it. So thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe. Bye.